Did you get ready in the dark or something? Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing this very bright, very vibrant, I don't know if I want to say she's Christmas inspired type of wig. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On this platform we do nothing but synthetic wigs. For now anyway. That's my favorite. If you like what you see so far, listen, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will get notified. And if you've been here, you already know what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and get into who's that girl, shan't we? All right, folks, let's go. Alright folks, now that I got her all the way together, let's get into who she is. Now I got this wig from wigtypes.com. Her name is Chanelle and she is from Outre, of course, another Outre baddie. You know how I love my Outre girl, you already know. Anyway, she is from the Sleeky collection. Got her in the color red velvet. Don't ask me why I did this. I'm not even too sure. I think I just wanted a new wig and I said doop 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 swipe, and that was that. I don't even remember what was really going on in my mindset that this color was actually going to be the color for me. Anyway, her star card reads as so. She is wider hand-tied lace parting, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, 5-inch deep lace part, natural baby hairs, humpless laid finish, and she's heat friendly. This is what she looks like. Miss Chanelle looks like in the front in the blonde and in the black. Okay, and in the back it shows all these beautiful colors that she comes in. Now of course she's a standard wig, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. She is definitely not big head friendly. She's kind of snug. I did not glue her down at all because she fits really snug, like really snug. And I just, I didn't feel like it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't feel like gluing her down, so I didn't. Okay? That's what it is. I ain't feel like doing baby hairs, so I didn't. Okay? I just showed straight forehead because I just love a bone straight wig with no baby hairs, straight forehead. That makes sense to me. I don't know what it is, but it does. And like I said, her color is a red velvet and it's a beautiful color. I'm not gonna lie to you, she is beautiful. She is actually very thin, not thin to the point where like you'll be able to see her tracks in the back. Does she shed? Yes, she does shed. I don't know if she tangles. When I was combing her, I didn't get no snags or anything like that. She does have a little shine to her. If you want to get rid of that, dry shampoo it. But most of the time with these straight, bone straight wigs, they give off that little shiny effect, you know? And I think it actually makes the color look actually better that it's shiny. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Okay. She says on the start card that she is already pre-plucked, so I didn't go in to pluck her even more. She did have baby hairs, but I didn't lay that down. He is giving somewhat of a HD, or not HD, transparent lace, but I mean you could probably go in and pluck her some more if you wanted to wear her back a little bit. But again, she is kind of thin, so wearing her just like this is pretty much what you going? Would I buy her again? Probably not. She actually reminds me of Miss Bexley, only Bexley was a lot thicker and you had more of a versatility to her. Like it wasn't just a middle part. I don't think I will purchase her again. She'll probably be the only one in my collection if I don't sell her. All right, where would I wear Miss Thing to? I'm not even going to lie to you. Her color for me is too much. But she is bomb. Like, okay, so I reviewed her and I said I didn't like her at first. The color's too much, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Then I went in to do my little videos, pictures, so I can do my TikToks and whatever and post on Instagram and Facebook. And then I'm like, oh, no, she is giving. This color is giving. She is, I'm not too sure where I would wear her to. Maybe if I was going to a concert. If I was, oh yeah, definitely a concert. My sister's planning on having a birthday party next year. Pasta style. Dirty wine on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, she is one of those bold, bright, definitely making a statement in this wig. She is cute. If I had a photo shoot, if I was in a music video, I mean, like, this is all the places that I would wear this color wig too. Now, if she was a 1B, then I would say she's an everyday wig. You can wear her every day, wherever, whatever, to do anything. But because this color is so bright, she is definitely a statement wig. And she's making a really big, bold, bright statement saying, I'm here, I'm bright, I'm bold, and I'm effing beautiful. Sexy as hell. I love a bone straight wig. Like, something about it just makes you feel sexy. I'm just saying, let me know in the comments below if I'm tripping or not. I don't think so. Listen, that's all I have on Miss Chanelle. She is definitely a statement wig that you might need in your closet. But I thought to review her because she is definitely a seasonal wig. You know what I mean? She can definitely be a Christmassy type of, we going to our family's house, sitting on the couch, dressed up type of wig. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell, people, so every time I upload bold, bright, baddie like this, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. Love you. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.